In this video, I will be showing you how to put the white outline around your picture on Canva. Once on Canva, all you'll need to do is simply add your picture to the design template. So for example, you can see right here. Once you have added your pic, you're going to select the picture and you're going to tap on Edit Photo in the top left-hand corner. After selecting Edit Photo, I want you to scroll down and below Effects, you're going to tap on Shadows. Once you have selected Shadows, you're going to tap on Outline. After tapping on Outline, you can see that a black outline has been added. If you would like to change it to white, all you'll need to do is scroll down and tap on the color box. Then from there, you could tap on white. After doing that, if you would like to increase the size of the blur, you can do that. You can increase the blur amount as you can see right there. You can also increase the intensity or the angle as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can choose from. As you can see here, you can edit it to your liking. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.